Well, we are supposed to be fishing. But wait till you see these fellies. Hello, doggy. What is happening, pal? Oh. Can't I say that was on my bucket list, but they were some horny buggers. Well, porn star, superstar, doesn't matter what you are, get yourself a good car and get out of here. Can I just say, what an absolute banger. Banger! Hello. You hear me now?
I hear you now. What was wrong with the other one?
I think it's just my phone, I didn't.
Okay then, take care mate.
Right. See you later.
See you then, bye
Bye. Right, we're closing in on the destination now to get the fishing rods out. The weather is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. And I think I might have made a boo-boo because don't know if you can see that, but my fuel light's about to come on. And I'm probably like a good 30 miles from an actual village. So God knows how we're getting home. And if we do make it home, we're gonna get absolutely bummed on fuel prices. That's a bit more like it. Check that wee lane out. Let's see where this takes us. Oh, check this out, man. This is minted. Check it out. Woohoo! Come on, daddy. Daddy. Daddy cool. Well, we're finally fucking arrived. What a spot this is, by the way. Some wee jetty. So as you can see, it's absolutely chucking it down the now. But we've got the waterproofs in that. Gotta get ourselves set up on this jetty here and get the rods out. I'm hoping for some big fat ass dogfish tonight again. We've got ourselves some lugworm for bait. Check these bad boys out. Where's a big fat one? He's a real bad man. But I'm just gonna go speak to this boy at the bottom of the pier there now. Just see if he'll move out my way for me so I can go fishing. Oi, excuse me pal. You mind fucking off so I can go fishing here?
There you go.
Oh, cheers mate. Class. Right, let's get the rods out boys. Right, it's getting a bit dark but we'll just get these rods out quickly.
You right lad? You want some bacon butties?
Right, I didn't think I put it on right the first time. But we've got them hooked. So we'll see if that stays on. Then we'll try it the other way the next time. That I've just learnt. Right, we're going to just cast straight first try. See what's happening. Brought the trusty tripod as usual. Right, I think the current's just took me. Don't know if the current has just swooped me away there. It's just pulling right round. Either that or we've got fish. That was a goddamn fish. Literally, as it landed. I swear. Took the whole line out, I've got the weight. I chucked it that way. I pulled it in for you there within 5 seconds. It was a seal. I was just heading up for another rig because I only brought one down. Lasted fucking 10 seconds. Massive seal just popped up where I pulled that in. And one over that side. So I think I caught a seal. That's a new first. Oh, that's very good. That is the last one gone within minutes. So the current's just too strong. We're going to either wait, see what it's like later, or we're going to wait till tomorrow, because it's not over yet. Got a couple nights of this fishing. So me and Andy have got some bad boy matured beef steaks. Ribeye. Ribeye. You better be proud of these ones, Andy. So we're going to need to cook these steaks raw dog this night. Raw dog style.
I've been standing here.
We've got no salt, no oil, no pepper. Just got to chuck it in, hope for the best. Whew. You're burning it. It's definitely going to have a nice sear. Get that door open. Fire alarm will be gone though.
Jesus Christ.
Amen. Hey, it's no sticking. There, you were thinking wrong. Oh! That is dirty, man. We've tried to go for one rare, one medium rare. So we'll see what we've done. Medium rare. I'd say I've done alright. Oh, I think I've smashed it. Oh, actually, I'd say that's a nice wee medium. Medium rare. We've came into a slight problem. We're getting taken by the sea. The water is up to my fucking... Holy shit, I hope you can see that.
Oh fuck.
The water's a good 3 inches up. Holy shit. Holy shit. This isn't good.
No, it's not.
It's not going to go any higher.
I hope not.
Well, what, check high tide? I just opened the door, we're like, we can hear noises. That is literally, that water is fucking shit. That water is as deep as that bit of wood. It's that bit of wood was up to there in water.
I know, so we're past max high tide.
I was not expecting that.
Aye, so it was high tide at 8:15.
A 8:15?
8:15.
Mate, how high fucking was it? That's 45 minutes ago. We've not opened the door since then.
Have I actually got any clearance?
Mate, wait, here. Imagine we were still fishing. Imagine we were fucking fishing, trying to fish the high tide at 8 o'clock. What the fuck are we doing here? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the actual fuck?
Oh, what?
Mate, we're in the sea. I wish I could get a photo of my van right now.
Oh, I got that. It's so fucking hot.
Mate, I can!
Side of the car park.
Mate, there's not one bit of the car park that's no in the water.
Oh no, I'm sleeping in the car.
You're sleeping back to the car. You're not getting that. Mate, my fishing rod's under the car.
Your fishing rod's in the
Oh no! This is a disaster. Andy, this was in fact, Andy's dad. This was your idea to come here. This was your idea to come here. You've beached us. You've actually beached us. Get him on the phone. Get him on the phone right now. Oh, he's not really looking. Bastard. So we're still submerged right now. Still pretty submerged. So we're a little red submarine currently, and aye, we've decided high tide's 8 o'clock in the morning. So we think if we're up at 6, we can be away. But who would have thought this would happen in this car park, I'm not gonna lie. It's quite mad.
Yeah.
We were thinking as well, if there was waves, because it's like literally as still could be the water. Like this is the sea. This goes, if I could show you, it goes all the way out for miles. If there was waves, we would be fucked. Like, I would be in the North Sea somewhere, swimming about in my submarine. And it wouldn't end well.
Yeah, I didn't make any of this happen.
No, it was quite a shock.
A slight panic, and then we realised that it was an hour after high tide, so we missed the worst of it.
So we'll get another, well, probably another half an hour or something, and we'll see what it's looking like once it's a bit lower.
Well, I'll get a couple of minutes.
Right, we've touched ground. But the sea, literally. Oh wait, I can walk out now. Whoa! Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Andy, there's fish jumping. Literally right there. Mate, there was a fish just gone mental right there. Like 2 seconds ago, bud. 2 seconds ago.
But you can't catch it now.
How no?
You could try, but I've got a knife if you wanted to. I'm just telling you the facts.
I forgot to mention as well the noise that we were hearing that made us open the door. Well, if you can see, my rod had floated. Floated? Is that a word? My rod started floating and was hitting the bottom of the van. Right, I've got a wee bit lugworm on. But I don't know how much you can see, but this is mad. Walking on the jetty and the water's just level. That's the rain starting for the couple of casts, but the worm's just about gone. Well, I'm actually into my second worm. Right, this is for comparison to the flood. That is a fair height. That's almost touching the sidebar. Quarter of the way up the wheel. But I'm going to chance it. We're going to see what it's like in the morning, hopefully move the van before we're flooded in. So let's hope for the best. We're safe, we're safe. Right, we're just going to move this bad boy along a bit. Try and make sure we didn't... Oh, my fishing rod. This is why I'm an absolute idiot. I've just drove over my fishing rod. Oh, honestly, you could not make it up the shit that I do. Ooh, what a morning. But aye, now you can see a bit better. Look how high up this jetty is. Look how high up I am. Right, so this jetty's going all the way down. We're parked all the way over there. Look, that's about a metre of a drop right there. Sunk in the water. But we're getting the coffee on the now. Then, as soon as the sun's out, the spinner has gone into that sea lock and we're catching some big sea trout. Still can't get over that though. But that's where we were parked, right about there. And then here we are now. But we think that we've possibly just picked the unluckiest day to camp here. It doesn't look like high tide in the morning's going to come up anywhere near the top of this pier. So, I've got a new rod to try today. Got myself a wee 25 quid spinner. Cheap and cheerful. Just to show you how fucking good I am at fishing. I'm joking. So aye, we're making a wee coffee now. We're going to get some rods out and see what's happening. Not getting much bites now. The tide is that high that we're like a good 10 metres out for the bank. So we're literally just dragging it along grass. It's actually a really weird place, this. I just missed that big ass swan coming into land. That was minty. Just can't get out far enough. I think I'm going to chuck a bit of bait on and chuck it out in the sea lock. See what any bait does in the sea lock. See if it works, see if it doesn't. Right, we've chucked the bait out back out. Well, a wee bit ragworm on the end again. My idea was put a sand wedge on and hopefully the current doesn't just drag the shit all the way down. So you tell me if it's a good idea, Andy, or I'll let you care if it's a good idea. But I forgot to record it, but I had an absolute cast. Even Andy was proud. Right, I've gave this a bit resting time. Let's see what's happening. Oh, it's coming out anyway. As long as we can get it out, that's the main thing. Oh, might have stuck. Oh, I broke this rod. Woo! We got it. But it doesn't look it and it doesn't feel it. But as I'm pulling in with this rod, I can feel in here. The rod was bending. Oh. Mate, feel it, come here. Look at that.
Oh, you like squish the fiberglass.
Squeeze it. So fucking go like that.
Mate, my fucking hands are fucked.
I don't feel it.
Ah, actually.
It's smashed the fibre, like flattened the fiberglass almost. It looks alright, eh? So I've moved my van round a wee bit just to get some photos in that, but the water's rising. Oh, you got me. It's coming over the jetty slightly. So maybe the tide's still coming up a bit, but hopefully the van doesn't go under again. Hey Andrew.
It's gonna go under again.
What's your thoughts?
It's gonna go under again.
Oh, right, we've had our breakfast and I'm going to end today here. We'll see what's happening tomorrow, next week. So aye, hit that like button, subscribe.